Hello smiley people, Mr. Lewin here, and today we're going to explore the Teams mobile app. This app is currently available for Android and iOS devices via their dedicated app stores. And it's a free app. Once you've downloaded the app and logged in with your Teams login, you'll be presented with all of the teams you're associated with, including all channels that aren't hidden. You can see if there has been any activity on a channel because it will appear bold, as well as appearing in your activity icon at the bottom. Let's take a closer look at those icons. At the bottom are the icons for activity, chat if your school has allowed this function, teams, assignments, and your calendar. On your calendar you should see your timetable, as well as any upcoming assignment due dates. You can see your assignments by clicking Assignments and selecting the class. On the Teams icon at the bottom, you can see all of the teams you're linked to and their channels. Clicking a channel brings up its comment feed. You can then use the tabs at the top to see posts, files, your class notebook, assignments, and any other links your teacher has shared with you. There's also a bell to turn notifications on and off for each channel. I advise that you turn them on for any channel that you're currently working for. For example, at Bridgewater College Academy in primary, we use a channel each week. So for that week, I'd make sure the notifications are on. Now, you may have noticed that mine is black with white writing. You can change this and other features in your settings. Click the three lines in the top corner and select Settings. You can switch to a dark theme like mine, set up your notifications, and change the data and storage settings to ease internet data usage.
You can have more than one account on your Teams app on your phone, particularly useful if you have children in more than one year group. To do this, you simply go to Settings and add another account. You then just need to tap between them, depending on whose work you want to see.